Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Casablanca touring ceiling fan. I finally completed it. It was incomplete before. Got brand new box, old stock blades for it, got glass for it, got a light kit for it. It's not genuine Casablanca, but it still looks really good. Here are the blades, brand new. And yeah, let's get on with the light. There's a three-way pull chain in it. I put incandescents in it, well, 3, so it looks good from this side. On the other, I have an LED and then a CFL because I don't have a lot of incandescents. I only have 3. This fan was slumber quiet, but the person who I bought it from took that out, kept it for himself, and sold it to me with the 3-speed board. It looks amazing. I love the way it looks. Here's one. This fan has brand new bearings, has a new light kit, new glass, new lead wires, new components. I had to put a new board in there because the other one, something was wrong with the electrical in it, and it would not run on low, it would only run on medium and high, and then off. So I took that board out. It's on my work table right now, and now I put this one in. Runs really smooth. Go to medium now. It does wobble a little bit. I'm not sure why it wobbles, probably from when it was previously damaged in shipping from the past guy who sold it to me. Here's hot. Sort of balance itself out once it's on high. Blows an amazing amount of air. Wondering what that noise is, it's the fob from the light banging against the center shade. So what's that? That's high. That's off. Here's spin down. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.